Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a Disney Plus profile. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your computer and search for Disney Plus. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on the home page, look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. A drop-down menu will then open up. Inside this menu, select Edit Profiles and all of your profiles will appear in front of you. Now, you just need to select the target profile that you want to remove. Its settings will then open up and you will need to scroll down a little bit. Here, you will find the Delete Profile feature. Simply tap on the Delete Profile option and then tap on the Delete button again to confirm. Once you do this, the profile will be deleted. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.